in the sky. I'm where I wanna be tonight. So if you ain't got plans in mind, meet me at the bowling bar. Your hands up in the sky. We can let the good time roll. Cause there I go, sneaking through the sunrise, leaving all the bad vibes slipping away. There I go, kiss me on the other side, ready for my sad time on my way. There I go, I'm leaving, you can see me, believe me, it's easy, I got every reason to stay. There I go, sneaking through the sunrise, leaving all the bad vibes slipping away. Yeah, we gonna do this. That must have made we going up, who's gonna go with? Now we up and taking, now we are not let's begin. Keep the fire burning and burning till we get in. Every moment, every verse and every line. When the music hits it, everything will be alright. So far, see that you on the left hand side. Can't even to where we at tonight. Cause there I go, sneaking through the sunrise, leaving all the bad vibes slipping away. There I go, kiss me on the other side, ready for my sad time.
Ready for your bath time, Sir Parker? Yeah, take a look now.
So if you ain't got plans in mind, meet me at the bowling bar. Your hands up in the sky, we can let the good time roll. Cause there I go, sneaking through the sunrise, leaving all the bad vibes slipping away.
Yes, he is. You guys come over here. There you go. Watch the hiney. Watch the hiney. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah. There we go. There you go. Oh, I know. He's got nice clothes in there, man. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, he's a good guy. Oh, he's a good guy. Kimberly. Good day, Kimberly. He is. He is. He is. Yes. Love Labrador grooms. And I love Parker. Parker's a good boy. Good job, sir. Double by. Yes, sir. Baby boy. All the way. All the way. All the way. Come on, 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 come on. So what are you joking about? Darla, how you doing, Darla? I'm good. I'm great. As always. Zoe's joking about something I missed. Where'd your comment go, Zoe? Where did it go? I missed it. I missed it. Zoe, you're being filtered on TikTok. They got you. Darla, you have the best personality. Oh, thank you, Darla. Takes one to know one. Takes one to know one. Yeah. Always a cool guy. Here you go. That's the Thank you. Thank you. This one. Thank you. There you go. This one. Thank you. Thank you. Harper kid, what's up, Harper? Yeah, this is Sir Parker. potato today. Parker's over 100. Easy, huh, boy? Easy over the 100-pounders. Yes, you are. Can you get this side? Thank you. Oh, yep. Fresh. On this side. Fresh. Thank you, baby. There you go, my friend. There you go, my friend. Always a good job. Always such a good boy. Some music to calm the dogs. A little column A, a little column B, Valerie. Good question, though. I've always taken Sir Brown Parker here as a metalhead, so reggae probably just infuriates him, or maybe he just tolerates it because he's a good boy. Isn't that right, baby boy?
Getting AT&T's
Yeah,
best
right,
deal on
baby
the
boy.
Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra made me realize I do deserve the best. Like using my tub for the first time. With
He
laughing
says,
at
I
songs
wish my
and
boys
this
was this
English
calm during
face
the
mask.
time.
That's right, Mr. Dunn.
Learn how new and existing AT&T customers
He
can
wasn't
get the new
always this
Samsung
calm.
Galaxy
It
S26
takes
Ultra
a
with Galaxy
lot of
AI for $0
time and a
with
lot
eligible
of
trade.
patience and a lot of
Requires
practice.
trading of Galaxy S24 Plus Simplify for new
Isn't that
terms and
right,
restrictions
Parker?
apply. Subject to change. Visit
Stop me if you
att.com/Samsung
think
for
I'm
details.
lying. I'm not lying. Vicky, football mom's got two big boys. How big are they, Vicky? Joy says, this sweet dog is so calm. Yes, he is. The sweetest. Wait for his sister. Oh, I guess if I was doing a live, his sister's next. His sister's name's Izzy. She's a good girlfriend. He's a good baby guy. He's a good baby guy. Let me see you look up. There you go. That's a good job. And this side. There you go. Thank you, sir. Good boy. Joy, they trust you so much. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. You're good guys. And I'm glad that they're left, because technically, not even technically, I'm working in the courthouse on the curb, of like in the middle of lunch. So my exposure is high right now, and I'm in like prime parking real estate. So I'm lucky that Parker and his sister Izzy don't take me very long, being that they are short hairs. So I don't need to be here that long and take up all this time. You gotta be mindful of those things. Gotta be mindful of those things. Get in, get out, get on with it. Good boy, sir. There you go, there you go. Look up. Thank you. I know. There you go. Well trained too, right? right? Wild One's mom, what's up? Look at the sweet baby. That's right. Tori, he's loving and loves her so water dogs. Yes, they are, Tori. Good day to you, by the way. And to the rest of the 159 of y'all in there, good day to you.
Are you ready to receive the message?
Oh my.
I've been waiting to you.
Here you go.
Now on,
Yeah.
you know it's you.
Get your hiney.
I don't wanna wait for it
This may not even qualify as a live because it might be shorter than 25 minutes. Sweet canine, says Glenn. He identifies as Sir Parker Brown.
shoots me down. Come around, don't hold me down.
Good job, baby.
Shoots me down. 'Cause in your eyes, yes, hypnotized. In your smile, makes me say, oh wow. In your touch, no one else asks for much more. Your love, so sweet sensation of the
Oh, boy. These will go up my. He is a chill guy, says Tori. Yeah, Sam L, good day to you. Three Wild Ones mom says, I wish my girl was as well behaved. She tries to eat the water and it's coming in. Oh, that's a fun bath. I have an English bulldog I'm doing at the end of my day. He tries to eat the water, he tries to eat the hose, he tries to eat the towel. But he's a good boy.
never giving up when it's hard to breathe. Give me all you got, put it all on me, put it all on me, put it all on you. Things are getting rough like the seven seas. Never giving up when it's hard to breathe. Give me all you got, put it all on me, put it all on me, put it all on you. You don't have to wander all alone. Follows everywhere you go.
Tori says, I don't think I could be in a room where my back would hurt so much. I think you'll be alright, Tori. I'm leaning over so that y'all can hear me. But in all reality, I'm 6'1", standing straight up over my tub. You'll be alright. They make these rigs rather accommodating these days. Sweet boy Marshall, what's up? Good day to you. I'm about to turn the dryers on. You're more than welcome to stick around. It's gonna move fast. Here. Honey Toast. Oh, he's cute. Looks just like my sister's dog. He is a super soft guy. Looks way more chill than my sister's 4-year-old. Now I'm gonna say, look out, yeah. Probably help if you guys can see what I'm doing, huh? Can you do your nails okay? that, baby. You did it. You did it, good boy. You did. Yeah. Oh, he's like a good baby guy. I knew you could. I knew you could. I knew you could do it. Yes, you did. You did a good job, baby. He's got super sensitive feet. I say ticklish, maybe not sensitive. Y'all know what that means, right? Michelle, oh, Mickey B. Thank you, Mickey B. Jenny May, welcome in. How you doing, Jenny May? He's so calm while you're trimming his nails. What a good boy. He is a good man. Thomas J. He's happy. You are a happy guy, aren't you? You are a happy guy, aren't you? He's a good man. You're almost there. We gotta get him dry. We're gonna get him dry. Oh, good baby boy. Oh, you're a good baby boy. Yeah. That's a good job, boy. That's a good job, buddy. He's a good baby guy. He's a good baby guy. Turn around for me one more time, bud. There you go. There you go. Oh, he's a good man. He's a good man. Oh, baby guy. Good job, you did it. Good job, you did it. You're a good boy. You sit down. You sit. You love. You love. Oh, it's a good love. It's a good love. I know you did a good job. You did a good job. All right. Hi, fellow doggy stylist. Bella, what's up? How are you? All right, give you a follow. Let's go. What's his name is asking Mickey. His name is Sir Parker Brown Smith. Gotta get it right. Sir Parker Brown Smith. He's a good man. Oh, Wendy misses her chocolate lab. Yes, my condolences, Wendy. They're amazing. But anyways, I have to go. I wanted this to be a fun quickie with Sir Parker Brown Smith. Y'all make it a good day. Thank you. Love my labs. Follow. Thank you. Love my labs. Let's go. I'll follow you back because I love my labs too. Mickey B, I know feeling. Bye bye. Have a good one. Yes. Make it a good day. Jenny May, thanks for coming in, Jenny. Bella for cute dog videos. Yes, okay. Bella Trixie official. Go ahead and steal my grooming videos if you want some to add to your collection. Let's go. And I bid you adieu with that. Make it a great day, everybody.